GPT-5.6 Sol Ultrafast, AI intelligence at 750 tokens per second. OpenAI is taking AI speed to a new level with Ultrafast, a new service tier for GPT-5.6 Sol in the OpenAI API. Powered by Cerebras, Ultrafast can generate up to 750 output tokens per second and run up to 14 times faster than standard processing. The important part is that this isn't simply a smaller, less capable model designed to respond quickly. OpenAI describes Ultrafast as a way to deliver the intelligence of GPT-5.6 Sol at dramatically lower latency, bringing frontier-level AI into situations where waiting for an answer can reduce productivity. So, what does that speed actually mean? A token is a small unit of text processed by an AI model. At 750 output tokens per second, the model can generate a large amount of text extremely quickly. The practical benefit isn't necessarily that every response will be exactly 14 times faster, because real-world response time also depends on factors such as the task, input processing, reasoning, network latency, and system workload. But the potential reduction in generation time is enormous. Instead of an advanced AI agent taking a significant amount of time to produce a long response or complete a complex operation, many tasks could feel much closer to real-time interaction. The biggest advantage could be agents. An agent may need to repeatedly reason, generate instructions, use tools, inspect results, and then continue working. When every step becomes faster, the entire workflow can accelerate. This could be particularly valuable for software development, automated research, financial analysis, engineering, customer service systems, and other applications where AI needs to respond continuously, rather than simply answer a single question. OpenAI specifically highlights responsive products and demanding business workflows as important use cases for Ultrafast. Coding is another major area that could benefit. Developers using AI coding agents often have to wait while the model reasons through a problem, generates code, analyzes errors, and produces the next step. Faster inference means an agent can potentially complete more of these cycles in the same amount of time. Cerebras reports that its testing of GPT-5.6 Sol Ultrafast on economically valuable knowledge work tasks produced a 5.6 times end-to-end speedup without reported quality degradation in that evaluation. That's particularly interesting because it demonstrates why raw token speed can translate into meaningful workflow improvements rather than simply making text appear faster. The technology behind the speed is also important. Ultrafast is powered by Cerebras' wafer-scale architecture. Cerebras explains that large AI models can be slowed by moving model weights between memory and processing hardware during inference. Its wafer-scale architecture is designed to keep much more of the model's data close to the computation, reducing the data movement bottleneck that can limit inference speed. In simple terms, the hardware is designed specifically to move the information needed by a huge AI model extremely quickly. The benefits extend beyond coding. Imagine a customer service AI that needs to respond instantly, a financial system analyzing incoming information, a security system investigating an attack, or an AI-powered application that must react continuously to users. In these environments, saving seconds can improve the user experience and in some cases have real financial or operational value. OpenAI and Cerebras also point to production troubleshooting, security response, research, and real-time applications as areas where extremely low latency can make a substantial difference. There is another interesting implication. Speed can change how we use AI. When an AI agent becomes fast enough, users may not need to constantly switch between different tasks while waiting for results. Agents can potentially perform more work in the background while humans concentrate on higher-level decisions. That can make AI feel less like a chatbot that you wait for, and more like an always-available digital collaborator. However, there is an important limitation right now. Ultrafast is not yet broadly available to everyone. OpenAI says it is launching first in the API and is currently available to a select group of customers during a limited preview, with access expected to expand as capacity grows. Therefore, the 750 token per second figure should be understood as a maximum claimed output speed, not a guarantee that every API request will consistently achieve that rate. Ultimately, GPT-5.6 Sol Ultrafast represents an important shift in AI development. The industry has traditionally forced users to choose between intelligence and speed. Highly capable models could be slower, while faster models were often smaller or less capable. Ultrafast is an attempt to reduce that trade-off by combining frontier-level intelligence with extremely high inference speed. If OpenAI expands access successfully, this could make advanced AI agents dramatically more responsive and open the door to applications that simply weren't practical when every AI operation required waiting. At up to 750 tokens per second and up to 14 times the speed of standard processing, Ultrafast isn't just about making AI answer faster. It could change what people can realistically expect an AI system to do in real time.